Hi, I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
Our channel, the Cyber Sensei, is your complete free online martial arts program for children, teens, adults, and families so that you can get your black belt right in the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the entire world where you have access to YouTube. In this video lesson, we'll be teaching you the same side single hand shirt grab, and it looks like this. Hiya! Ah! Hiya! So make sure you have a partner to work out with, a safe place to train, and you're ready to get started. All right, here we go. Number one, I'm gonna take my thumb, the same side thumb, and put it on the back of the knuckle, wrapping my fingers around their wrist. Number two, I'm gonna do a palm strike to the face. Aya! Now number three, I'm gonna take the wrist and turn it towards themselves and place my other thumb next to the first thumb on the back of the knuckle. Number four, I'm gonna push inward towards their body and then turn their hand to the outside. That's gonna make them fall all the way to the ground. Next, I'm gonna go to my knee, number five, and do a punch to the face. Hiya! Let's do it again. All right, so he grabs. Number one, the same side thumb goes on the back of the knuckle, wrap my fingers around the wrist. Number two, I'm gonna do a palm strike with the other hand to the face. Hiya! Number three, turn their wrist towards themselves, placing my other thumb next to the first thumb. Number four, I'm gonna turn inward and outward. That's gonna make them fall to the floor. I'm gonna go down to my knee. I still wanna hold on to the hand to hold them there with the first hand that was grabbing. I'm gonna take my other hand and do number five and do a punch to the face. Hiya! All right, one more time. He grabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hiya! All right, Sensei Conover's turn now. So I grab him. Number one, he's gonna grab with the same side. The thumb is gonna go on the back of the knuckle, wrapping his fingers around the wrist. Number two, palm strike to the face. Hiya! Number three, turn the hand towards myself, placing the other thumb next to the first thumb. Next, number four, he's gonna turn inward and turn to the outside, dropping me to the floor and going to his knee. Number five, back punch. Hiya! Well, we're almost done with this lesson, so here's a quick preview of what you'll be learning on the next lesson, which is the same side wrist grab. Well, that brings us to the end of this lesson. Here's what to do next. Number one, go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end because there's a direct link to the next lesson. Number two, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, as this will give you access to our self-defense video library and our White Belt to Black Belt program library. Number three, go ahead and click the share button right below us, as I'm sure that you have friends and family that could also benefit from free martial arts and self-defense lessons. And number four, go ahead and give us a like or make any comments you might have, and we'll see you on the next lesson. I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
One clap. Cyber Sensei.